So it's almost been a week since this lockdown. It's a lot of emotions, just, you know, that I'm going through. But today, however, I'm going to, well, I'm saying today like as if it's not already like 4, no, it's 5 o'clock now. Like it's not 5 o'clock, but I woke up at like 1. For the rest of the day, I am literally just gonna do like some me time before I have to make some dinner. Do my face. I'm gonna take off these horrible nails. They absolutely need to be done. Like, it's horrible. And then I'm gonna wash my hair. Let's go. So I'm gonna start off with something that I recently purchased, which is a Veet electronic razor. So it comes with loads of different little razor bits. I'm just gonna use that for my facial hair, because you know us ladies, we do get facial hair and it's annoying, you know. When I finish, it comes with a little brush. When I finish, I make sure that I get rid of the hairs that are in the blades, and then I spray it with some of my rubbing alcohol. I'm then gonna use the Garnier micellar water to just wipe down my face, get off all the grease and any excess hair. I don't actually know what this product is called, and it kind of like sucks up all the dead skin, I guess, and stuff. And then I follow it through with a little facial peel. It's a T-Zone Rose Gold facial peel, so I put that on with my elf brush. My Body Shop rice. I didn't want to put it there, but you know, remove. Veet facial hair remover, which I put on my chin and my upper lip. Then just wait for everything to, you know, work, do its magic. Then I get on with my nails because they need to be done. A damp cotton pad and wipe off the Veet around my upper lip and my chin. Make sure it's all gone. I do that first because obviously it's a chemical and we don't want that to start bleaching our skin, because that's what it does if you leave it on for too long. And take off the peel. I could have left it on a little bit longer, but I was impatient. I had other things to do. Having some hair problems. Prescription shampoo, which I'm trying out. I don't like the smell, and it kind of makes my hair a little bit dry, but I mean it worked. Also go in with the Shea Moisture shampoo, which just makes my hair feel so good. It's got Jamaican black castor oil in it, so it makes my hair feel softer. For my body, I'm going to be using Clarins shower gel. So I don't tend to use fragrance shower gel. I normally use them like once a week, you know, when you just want to, you know, smell nice and not just smell like a basic beach. In with the Neutrogena turmeric face foam, and I wash my face. After washing your hair, put the dirt out of your hair. Obviously it transfers to other places of your body, so therefore I always wash my hair first, and then I wash my body, and then I wash my face once I come out the shower, or sometimes in the shower. I'm using a really hot, you can even see the steam, I'm using a hot flannel to take off the soap and sort of like steam my face. I feel really refreshed afterwards. My towels, my flannels, my scrubbers, anything that I use in the shower to clean my body, I always change it. I always use it twice and change it over. I gotta moisturize, so I'm using the Ordinary hyaluronic something. I kind of never say it, something acid. Yeah, anyways, everything I'm gonna use that I'm saying is gonna be in the description, because yeah. So tea tree oil. This is just amazing. I love the smell. It sort of clears your nose, stings your eyes, so be careful. and then I'm going to use simple E45 to moisturize my face. At night time I love to use loads of oils and creams so I'm nice and moisturized. Don't forget to moisturize your ears, and don't forget to sip your rosé.